So the mailman just came and gave me a little something I've been waiting for. So let's head inside and check this out. Well, I haven't actually done a whole lot with this thing since I got it, but I gotta say, it's pretty cool, pretty happy with it. I did shoot a couple quick tests first day I got it. Here's a quick shot going down to the street. And coming back, I decided to go for a run and see how stable it was. Not too bad overall. Anyway, that's it for now. Quick unboxing video for you there. I'm pretty happy with the SMOVE Mobile, and there'll be a lot more shooting with this thing coming in the future. So, until next time, clever tagline.